The internet is a powerful tool. It connects us with information and people worldwide. However, this connectivity comes with risks. Criminals use the internet too. They want your personal information. This includes passwords, credit card numbers, and social security numbers. Why is web security important? Your personal information is valuable. Criminals can use it to steal your identity, access your bank accounts, or commit other crimes. Every internet user is a potential target. You must protect yourself. One of the simplest and most effective ways to protect yourself online is to use strong passwords. A strong password acts as the first line of defense against unauthorized access to your personal information and accounts. A strong password is at least 12 characters long. It should be complex enough to resist easy guessing or brute force attacks. It includes a mix of upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. This combination makes it significantly harder for hackers to crack your password. Never use the same password for multiple accounts. If one account gets compromised, using the same password across different accounts can lead to a domino effect, putting all your accounts at risk. Another important security measure is two-factor authentication, or 2FA. This method provides an additional layer of security beyond just your password. 2FA adds an extra layer of security to your accounts. Even if someone manages to get hold of your password, they would still need the second factor to gain access. When you log in, you'll need to enter a code from your phone or email. This code is usually time-sensitive, making it even more secure. This makes it much harder for criminals to access your accounts. By combining strong passwords with two-factor authentication, you significantly enhance your online security, making it much more difficult for unauthorized users to breach your accounts. When browsing the internet, look for websites that use HTTPS. HTTPS encrypts your connection. This makes it much harder for criminals to intercept your data. You can tell if a website uses HTTPS by looking for a padlock icon in the address bar. Regular software updates are also crucial for web security. Software updates often include security patches. These patches fix vulnerabilities that criminals could exploit. Always keep your operating system, browser, and other software up to date. Section 4. Common scams and how to avoid them. In this section we will explore some of the most prevalent scams that you might encounter online and provide you with tips on how to avoid falling victim to them. Criminals use various scams to trick people online. These scams can come in many forms, from emails and websites to phone calls and social media messages. Phishing is a common scam. It involves sending fake emails that appear to be from legitimate sources such as banks or online services. Phishing attacks use fake emails or websites to trick you into giving up your personal information. These emails often contain links to fake websites that look real. Always be wary of suspicious emails or links. If something looks off, it's better to be cautious and verify the source before clicking on any links or providing any information. Another common scam is social engineering. This involves manipulating people into giving up confidential information or access to their systems. Criminals use social engineering to manipulate you into giving them access to your computer or accounts. They might pretend to be someone you trust or use other tactics to gain your confidence. Be cautious about who you talk to online and what information you share. Always think twice before sharing personal details or clicking on links from unknown sources. Stay vigilant and protect yourself from these common scams. Section 5. Staying safe in a connected world. Protecting yourself online is an ongoing process. It's not just about setting up a few security measures and forgetting about them. You need to be vigilant and proactive in maintaining your online safety. Stay informed about the latest threats. Cybercriminals are always coming up with new ways to exploit vulnerabilities. Regularly check for updates on security news and adapt your practices accordingly. Be aware of the information you share online. Think twice before posting personal details or sensitive information. Once something is online, it can be difficult to remove. By following these tips, you can help keep yourself safe online. Regularly review your privacy settings and make sure your devices are secure. Remember, use strong passwords and two-factor authentication. Strong passwords are your first line of defense, and two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of security. Look for HTTPS connections and keep your software updated. HTTPS ensures that your connection is secure, and regular updates help protect against the latest threats. Be aware of common scams and how to avoid them. Phishing emails and scam alerts are common tactics used by cybercriminals. Learn to recognize the signs and stay cautious. Web security is everyone's responsibility. Whether you're an individual user or part of a larger organization, taking steps to secure your online presence is crucial. By taking the necessary precautions, we can all enjoy a safer online experience. Let's work together to create a secure digital environment for everyone.